Hello everyone, welcome to my English class. I'm Nazla Fatmi with you. This episode I'm going to talk about a very common word that my students use in their campus life. The word is semester. But I find students pronounce the word semester. Semester is incorrect. The correct pronunciation should be semester, which means a period of 6 months of an academic year, such as fall semester, summer semester. I have taken 4 courses this semester. If I break down the word, I find 3 syllables over here. Se-mas-ter. So the pronunciation should be semester, not semester. That's all for today. If you really like the video, please hit the like button below and subscribe our channel for more updates. Take care.